friends, I'm Swati, and today's new video is about Chlorophyllum comosum or the spider plant, okay, which could be kept indoor as well. So there are two varieties here with me now. Here this one with yellow inside and green margin outside. And the next variety is like green inside with a thin white border around it. Now we will be showing you the propagation of this white one, the green and white. So there are two different varieties with me now at present. Okay, so this particular plant is called a spider plant because you could see like this, so many stick like thingy coming out from that, and you could see small plants arising from that stalk like thing, and you could see flowers here, small white flowers. Basically it has no smell, but it's so beautiful to see. You could see very tiny plants arising from the stalk. Okay, so I will show you the other side of this tiny plant. You could see small roots arising from it. So this appearance of this plant gave the name spider plant. It looks like a spider with its legs. Did you know that? Okay, so the propagation of this plant is very easy. So I have here two different types of soil. So this one you could see it is very soft, spongy soil. So this is the organic potting mixture that we buy from outside. So this is very good for the indoor plants. Now the next one I have is the garden soil from our home itself, and this is not that good, but it's good when it is mixed with this potting mix. Today in this video we are going to transplant this thing into a pot. Okay, yeah, this is the organic potting soil mix that we use. We buy it from outside. No, it is still costly, so that's why we are not putting that soil alone. We are mixing with the garden soil as well. This soil, you could see so many coconut fibers here. So this is the main thing in the organic potting soil mix. This thing makes the soil soft, and its water retaining capacity is very high because coco peat is also mixed with it. Okay, so now we will be mixing the soil. Okay, so we'll be planting this thing into this pot. Okay, so in order to close the holes at the bottom, so we will use some coconut fibers, very little only because the holes are very small. So I'll put this into that. Okay, this is enough. Okay, now we're gonna mix the soil. The main disadvantage of the soil is that it has so many rocks and all, so it's very difficult. So we have to remove the big ones, and then we can use it by mixing it with the soil, the potting mixture. Okay, so we will take a little quantity of the garden soil now. Okay. We'll take this here. So we have to put the coconut fiber inside. So till that we will fill this soil. Okay, now we will put a little bit of weight first. We have to remove the rocks and all. Okay, now we will add the organic potting mixture into this one layer, and then we will put the next layer of the soil. Yeah, one rock. Okay, now we will take the organic potting mixture and mix it slightly with the soil that we have put there. So the other soil also will become soft. Add some more. We'll remove that. We'll take So we have used this soil. Now this is enough. There are so many rocks here, so we don't need this. So we will remove that, and then we will take the organic potting mixture. Okay. So okay, we will remove that. Now we will mix the organic potting mixture. We have put the garden soil here. It's slightly red color. Okay. Good. Okay. Now we will put this. And again we will slightly mix. We will repeat the same procedure that we have done before. These coconut fibers are from the organic potting mix. Okay, so it's good. It helps to retain the water. Helps to maintain the water retaining capacity of the soil. So it's good. Coco peat is also added to this, which increases the water retaining capacity. Okay, now we will take one plant from this. So which one should I select? Okay, I will take this big one, this one, this one. So I am going to, yeah, it is attached to the tip of the stalk. So I will slightly break this from the stalk. Okay, so I have taken it. Yeah, as you could see, small roots rising from this. It should not be damaged. Okay, so I am not touching it more. Okay, so now we will be like taking a small hole at the center, and then we will place this. Okay, the leaves at the bottom doesn't matter, it will remain there. Just then you will to close the bottom with the soil. Yeah. So we have easily transplanted one from this into a new pot. So it's a very simple process, but you have to be careful while detaching the small plant from the stalk. Okay. So this is one. It's very good. Good to see. Now we have to sprinkle some water. So now we are going to spray water to this. Okay. I think you have to feel the water content of the soil. I think this is enough. Pause. So why do we use organic potting mixture for indoor plants? So the answer is that, see, if you put use the normal garden soil only, and then you put manure like cow dung and all, so you have to place this thing inside. So cow dung on the surface is not good. It will be too smelly. It's bad. So that's why we use organic mixture. Organic mixture contains cow dung, but a very small quantity. So we will show you the ingredients of the organic mixture. So these are the ingredients of the organic potting mixture. Here, cow dung powder, and it doesn't have the smell of cow dung as well. Only 350 gram, while the others, coco peat and all, 2 kilogram. And that is why I said the water retaining capacity of the soil is very high. Coco peat is a good water absorber, and the vermicompost, etc., are all present in this. So this is a very good mixture of all the manure. So you need not put extra manure to this indoor plants. So this one we transplanted the same thing. We did the same procedure here also. This we did 2 or 3 days ago in another pot, small pot, because there are 2 young small plants, cute small plants inside this. Okay. Now it is now healthy. If you want, you could keep this thing in sun, but not under direct sun. Direct sun may damage this. Okay. You have to. It requires heat, and it requires water as well. Okay. Now this is all about the propagation of the chlorophyllum chromosome of the spider plant. Okay. Yeah, this is the second variety of the chlorophyllum chromosome. You could see the yellow inside and green border, thick green border outside. So, we have this is the main mother plant. We have propagated it into different pots. These are the two. No, not two. One, two, three. Yeah, three. Three or four are there. Yeah, this one. This is the small one. We have recently transplanted this. So, okay. So these are the two different types of chlorophyllum chromosome. So how to propagate this, that we will do in the next video. Handling with the soil with bare hands, you have to cut your nails and do that, or else the soil will end in between your nails. So friends, this is all about the propagation of this type. So propagation of this type we will do in the next video. Okay, so you have to like, share and subscribe my Manaswini's favorite channels. So we'll be uploading different videos on based on different topics. Okay, bye.